Welcome back to another vid. So, we're gonna try doing this again. See what we can get. Oh, there's the bird right there. See what we can get this time. And it's kind of cold. Kind of freezing right now. There's a bird over here somewhere. Over there. I'll hit it. Look over there. Oh, no bird over there. So we're gonna try anything, like something else. See if we can get. Oh. Something. It's fine. Alright, there's something over here. I see a bird. Guys, I see a bird. No. Oh, who's it? I lost it. No. Yeah, so I think it's just lost my bird. Like this thing's out here. Oh, there now. I won't hit it that far. Maybe a far shot. Okay. What? What? I don't know how that first shot didn't even hit. What? Oh my god, bro. Gotta be serious right now. Like, come on, bro. Right there, with that spot. Right there in that spot. We got it. I don't know how I missed the first shot. I had it on sight, but I guess. And didn't want to hit. I guess, whatever. Kind of stupid. I don't know, that should have hit. I hear another bird. Oh, it's in the field. Right. That's nice. Yeah, I literally just got robbed on that first shot. Holy moly, that is a big bee. Holy crap, that. Oh my god, that scared me. I didn't even know what that was. Holy crap, that actually scared the living crap out of me. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Alright. Oh, do something real quick. I guess let's look at the boat in the tree. I guess, whatever. Whatever, bro. I hope I can get something now. Let's see what I can get. I just should have brought like a hoodie. Okay, so cold. Yeah. Kinda hope I can get another bird today. If I can't, that's gonna be really sad. Yes, it will. So, I hope I can get something. I hope. I just hope, okay? This bird on that post, but might be, it's kind of a long shot though. Won't be able to grab it too. It's in the, I don't know. I'm trying to shoot it. Oh, I think I missed that one. Not completely sure though. Pretty sure I missed it. Oh no. Yeah, I definitely missed it. Yeah, I guess it's going back in my pocket. Oh, I mean, no. Oh, that was a clear fail. Went to the ground. I don't know if I hit it or just like full on the ground. It kind of sucks. Kind of wish would have had that because I remember that I got earlier. Like it was over here. Like over there. No, I don't see it. So, oh, what is it? It's grass. That's gonna be hard. And I have like no strap for my phone. Yeah, it's gonna be a little hard for doing this. How much beavers I have? I think I have enough. I think. Alright, so I guess I'll go see this one thing over here. Figured won't be anything over here, but I guess worth a shot to see, I guess. Yeah, I figured there'd be nothing. Yeah. I better guess. Well, if we gotta just go like bird hunting, BB gun, a real gun, pistol, whatever, just let me know what you bird hunt with. Now, I won't judge whatever you bird hunt with because I don't care whatever, like what firearm you use. Like, what the heck? If you use a revolver to go bird hunting, I don't care. Like, I don't care. Bird hunt with. I don't think I'm thinking of anything. Yeah. Dog over there. Goofy dog. Ain't nothing in the trees. I'll tell you that. Dog. Hi. Watch out. Huh? I'm sorry. Yeah. I feel it's not gonna be like. Oh. I hear birds. Honestly, I think it's in this first tree. I hear. Definitely hear. But no, nothing here. No, I just saw something. I don't know what it was. Okay, I feel like I keep seeing something. I don't know if I'm like seeing stuff or it's like actual something. No, I'm seeing stuff. So, yeah, it's nothing there. Which is lame and boring, pathetic. Shoot that cow.